Sous vide is one of the safest cooking methods out there, but some people are worried that if you use garlic, you might just die. I'm going to talk about why you might and why you might not, coming up next on Amazing Food Made Easy. Hey there, I'm Jason Logsdon from Amazing Food Made Easy and president of the International Sous Vide Association, and today I wanted to talk about a question that a lot of people have, and that is whether or not putting garlic in your sous vide bag can hurt you. So this question comes up time and time again, and people are always wondering, is garlic safe or is it not safe to eat? And at this most basic level, raw garlic in sous vide probably is safe. It's not too dangerous. And people worry about it because garlic can have botulism bacteria on it, and botulism thrives in a low oxygen environment, which is basically what a sous vide bag is. Normally you run into this when you are making infused oils in a traditional manner, but people worry about it because of the oxygen deprived environment in a sous vide bag. But if you practice good food safety handling procedures and don't leave your bag out on the counter, you're probably not going to run into any issues because the temperatures that you store your food at and that you sous vide at aren't in the danger zone for botulism. So the odds of you getting sick from cooking with raw garlic are very, very low. That said, if you have any concerns about it, you can use garlic powder, you can roast your garlic ahead of time, and any of these will make sure the garlic is safe to eat before you put it in the bag. But the other side to this is, does it actually taste good? And the biggest reason why this is actually a question is because a lot of times we picture garlic as having this like nutty, wonderful flavor because we normally roast garlic or we cook it at these higher temperatures. So if you're making a beef roast and you put some garlic cloves on it, the garlic is getting heated to a really high temperature if you're doing it in an oven or on a grill. But with sous vide, you're usually cooking at low temperatures. And at the low temperatures, the garlic doesn't get cooked. So a lot of times you're just infusing this flavor of raw garlic into your dishes. And that's often not what we're going for when we're adding garlic to the bag. So to me, that's the biggest reason to use garlic powder or to use pre-roasted garlic cloves. And that's because they're already cooked. The sweetness and the nuttiness has already been drawn out of them. And then you can add those flavors to your sous vide bag instead of the like acidic, harsh, raw flavors. So that's what a lot of this argument comes down to. Is the food safe and does it taste good? When it comes to safety, as I said, there's a little bit of danger there. So if you want to eliminate all of your danger, then make sure you use garlic powder or roasted garlic. But the danger is very, very small. And if you practice good food safety procedures, you're probably not going to get sick even using raw garlic. But the other aspect is that flavor, and a lot of times the raw garlic doesn't taste good, so I almost never use raw garlic in any of my sous vide cooking. So now you know everything you need to know about using raw garlic with your sous vide, whether or not you should, and how to respond when people challenge you for using some. If you have any comments or you disagree, please drop them below. Always happy to have a discussion around this. And for people just getting started out, I always recommend my free quick start course at afmeasy.com. And I do a lot of work with the International Sous Vide Association, including free showcases, demos, and cook-alongs at theisva.org. Until next time, I'm Jason Logsdon.